Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Dr. Marlene Street Forrest, who has held the top spot at the Jamaica Stock Exchange for 20 years, is set to retire. The Jamaica Stock Exchange was designated by Bloomberg as the #1 stock exchange in the world in 2015 and 2018. That said, Chairman of the Jamaica Stock Exchange, Stephen Whittingham, says internal as well as external, local, and overseas applications were received from people seeking to fill the post of Managing Director of the JSE. Applications for the post closed on Wednesday. The JN Group says it's looking to divest JN Fund Managers, its wealth management arm. The group says it is evaluating a number of bids received with the help of a consultancy firm to ensure the most favorable outcome. Recently, JN Group booked a deal with British Caribbean insurance company BCIC to purchase JN General Insurance, JNGI. JN Financial Group initiated these sales as a part of a broader strategy to divest non-core assets and bolster its capital base. Head of the Planning Institute of Jamaica, PIOJ, Dr. Wayne Henry, revealed that data from the Economic and Social Survey of Jamaica 2023 indicates that micro, small, and medium-sized enterprises, MSMEs, increased in number and sales relative to 2022. Providing micro, small, and medium-sized enterprises with the opportunities to access services and facilitating access to financing to bolster their initiatives represents a pivotal stride towards advancing economic development and mitigating poverty, Dr. Henry said. Sales from MSMEs rose by 1.2%, totaling $207.4 billion, driven by the performance of micro and medium-sized firms across various sectors, including electricity and water supply, mining and quarry. For the trading period ending January 17, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited, with 20,316,943 units traded, represented 55.57% of market sales volume. Microfinance lender Lasco Financial Services Limited, with 6,027,049 units traded, represented 16.48% of market sales volume. Advertising agency and real estate holding firm Kintyre Holdings JA Limited, with 1,426,225 units traded, accounted for 3.9% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market, and these rates are set by the Bank of Jamaica. On January 17, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $82.88 million was purchased and US $93.28 million was sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned 80 cents per dollar traded, selling the US at $157.49 and buying the US at $156.69. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $2.75 in profit per transaction, with selling at $110.23 and buying at $107.48. The British pound yielded Forex traders $7.30 in profits, with selling at $193.44 and buying at $186.14. For our credit report tip of the day, starting your own business after facing unemployment and debt may seem overwhelming, but with the right steps, you can establish strong business credit and set yourself up for success. Here's a roadmap to help you get started. First, separate your finances. Open a business bank account and help to keep it distinct from your personal finances. Then register your business. Incorporate your business or form a limited liability company to legally separate your personal liability. We now turn to building something from nothing, boosting resilience and recovery. Now, building something from nothing is about bouncing back. Financial recovery isn't just possible, it is a gateway to reimagining your life and income streams. As a professional woman over 45, moving towards financial resilience and reoccurring income, we have a few steps. Embrace your experience. Your past professional and life experiences are your superpowers. Use them to position yourself as a trusted expert. Then set clear goals. Map out what financial freedom means to you. Define your income targets and timelines. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step towards your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.